Stomach problems are very commonplace. Just about everyone has had challenges with heartburn, indigestion, or nausea at one time or another. Long-standing issues can be rooted in lifestyle, food choices, and/or genetics. We must remember 4 things as we look for stomach markings in the irides. Number 1, the types of markings we are going to look at in this video do not appear or disappear. Changing the diet or lifestyle is not going to change the markers even if symptoms are eradicated. Number 2, seeing any of these markers in an iris is not a guarantee of stomach problems. They are only a predisposition. If the person is young or is doing the right things for his stomach, he may avoid developing symptoms. If he doesn't have any symptoms yet, making sure health-promoting habits are in place may prevent the development of problems. Number 3, everyone who has symptoms will not necessarily have iris markings. All health problems do not have a genetic base. As such, making consistently poor health choices can undermine even the strongest of constitutions. Number 4, the goal of iridology is not to change the irides. The goal is to improve the health. Let's look at some stomach markers now. If you are using a high-resolution camera, you may see a border that appears gray at the inner edge of the iris. As with other tissues in the iris, gray means less reactive. Specifically, a gray border suggests the stomach lining is not genetically strong. This will often exhibit in the body as reduced stomach acid levels as the stomach tries to protect its weakened lining from being eroded by digestive acid. It also suggests a reduced ability to absorb nutrients in the GI tract due to poor digestion in the stomach. Symptoms often include poor wound healing, low energy, and excess gastrointestinal gas. If the fibers next to the edge of the pupil are somewhat more loosely packed, they may make the edge appear serrated, like it's been snipped with pinking shears. In fact, these are minor radial furrows. This type of border is known as comb teeth, and it suggests an increased chance of having a deficient stomach lining with the attendant reduced digestive acid levels. Symptoms of poor digestion, including excess stomach gas, burping, belching, and bloating, and flatulence are common when this indicator is present. A stomach ring is visible when there is reduced stromal density in the nutritive zone. This allows the constrictor muscle to show through as a ring encircling the pupil. The ring may appear white, gray, or pigmented. A white stomach ring suggests the genetic potential of overacidity or inflammation in the stomach. Bernard Jensen taught that when the ring is darker than the rest of the eye, it suggests the potential for low hydrochloric acid production. Seeing just one of these markers should inspire us to implement corrective food and lifestyle measures, even if no symptoms are present. Seeing 2 or 3 of these should underscore the importance of being diligent with long-term health-promoting habits.